in this session, let us learn about simple arithmetic. Simple arithmetic. You can use a arithmetic operators plus, minus, into, by directly between NumPy arrays, but the section discuss an extension of the same where we have functions that can take any array like objects, example lists, tuples, etc. and perform arithmetic conditionally. Arithmetic conditionally means that we can define conditions where the arithmetic operations should happen. All of the discussed arithmetic functions take a where parameter in which we can specify that condition. See addition. The add function sums the content of two arrays and return the result in the new array. See example, add the values in array 1 to the values in array 2. See here, by adding, giving the np.add method, see here array 1, array 2, the result returns this. They both added. The example above will return 30, 22, 34, 36, 38, 40, which is the sums of 10 plus 20, 11 plus 21, 12 plus 22, etc. Subtraction. The subtract function subtracts the value from one array with the values from another array and return the results in a new array. See the example, subtract the values in array 2 from the values in array 1. See, by using np array subtract method, the result returns this minus 10, minus 1, 8, 17, 26, 35. See the example above will return minus 10, minus 1, 8, 17, 26, 35, which is the result of 10 minus 20, 20 minus 21, 30 minus 22, etc. Multiplication. The multiply function multiplies the values from one array with the values from another array and return the results in a new array. See the example, multiply the values in array 1 with the values in array 2. See here, by using np.multiply method, see the result returns this. The example above will return 200, 420, 660, 920, 1200, 1500, which is the result of 10 into 2, 20 into 21, 30 into 22, etc. Division. The divide function divides the values from one array with the values from another array and return the results in a new array. See the example, divide the values in array 1 with the values in array 2. See, by using np.divide method, see the result returns this. The example above will return 3.3333, 4.3.525, 1.8181812, which is the result of 10 by 3, 20 by 5, 30 by 10, etc. Power. The power function raises the values from the first array to the power of the values of the second array and return the results in a new array. See the example, raise the values in array 1 to the power of values in array 2. See, by using np.power method, the result returns this. See here the example above will return, which is the result of 10 into 10, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 20 into 20 into 20 into 20 into 20, 30 into 30 into 30 into 30 into 30, etc. Remainder. Both the mode and the remainder function return the remainder of the values in the first array corresponding to the values in the second array and return the results in a new array. See example, return the remainders. See, by executing this code, the result is 1630027, which is the remainders when you divide 10 with 3, 10% 3, 20 with 7, 20 with 7, 20% 7, 30 with 9, 30%, etc. You get the same result when using the remainder function. See the example, by using this, the result returns this 1630027. Quotient and mode. The div mode function returns both the quotient and the mode. The return value is two arrays. The first array contains the quotient and the second array contains the mode. See the example, returns the quotient and mode. By using np div mode method, the result returns this. The example above will return array 3235 25 1, array 1630027. The first array represents the quotations. The integer value when you divide 10 with 3, 20 with 7, 30 with 9, etc. The second array represents the remainders of the same division. Absolute value. Both the absolute and abs function do the same absolute operation element wise, but we should use absolute method to avoid confusion with Python's inbuilt math.abs method. See here, by executing this example, see here it will return 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay friends, this is the end of part 33, simple arithmetic. In next video, let us learn about another topic, rounding decimals. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.